Welcome, guys, to the second episode of Code with Me, and thank you for coming back and seeing the second episode. For those of you who are interested in pursuing this initiative with me, and in this video, we're going to be looking at setting up the development environment, which is IntelliJ IDEA for us. So, what we're going to do is see how we can install IntelliJ. If you already have IntelliJ IDEA, good. If you don't, I'm going to show you how we can set up the IDE. So, let's go ahead and click on Chrome and you can go ahead and search for IntelliJ IDEA download, and you'll have multiple links coming up. Use the one from JetBrains because they are the ones who created this IDE. So IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate and IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. You can see two of them here. I would suggest to go with IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition because the Ultimate Edition basically requires some amount of licensing, and since it's a paid service and it also supports additional um, plugins as well, but we are not going to be looking at subscriptions or paying a premium right now because this is a teaching video, right? So I'm going to go ahead with IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition here. This is more than suitable for the use case that we're looking at, which is basically programming um, or writing simple code in object-oriented and functional style. So let's go down here and see the IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. You can select the appropriate version and download. For me, it is showing a star.gz because I am running Lubuntu, which is a Linux operating system. So for me, it has automatically identified from my browser like what is the operating system I'm using, and it is showing those options for me. For you, it might be different. If you're running out of Windows, you will be seeing exe option here. If you're using Mac, you will see .dmg file here. So whatever appropriate version is shown here, you can click download and you can install IntelliJ in your system. Once you're done installing, if you go ahead and search for IntelliJ IDEA, it will show IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. Click on that and it will open up your IDE. And this is the screen that will be greeted by on the very first attempt. It will have new project, open or get from VCS. Get from VCS is basically get from GitHub resource. You just can clone any repository from GitHub if you use get from VCS and give the appropriate repository link. Open basically opens up any existing project in a system, and a new project basically creates an entirely new project for us. And apart from that, you have some options like customize and plugins. So what I'm going to do, or I'm going to tell you is, as soon as you open IntelliJ, as soon as this particular screen comes up, go to plugins and search for Scala in Marketplace, and you'll find it. Just install it. The reason is, in our video, we are going to be going ahead with using Java for the object-oriented programming style and Scala for the functional style. So this decision is taken because Java and Scala are interoperable languages and both of them run on JVM. And Scala has potentially the same, uh, you know, uh, features as Java, except that it is more functionally inclined. So you have a lot of semantic or syntactic sugar in Scala, which I'll be talking about in the coming videos. But the other major aspect is you don't have to jump between different versions of IDE or anything like that. You just can simply use IntelliJ, and we are going to be creating a Java Gradle project and adding Scala as a dependency. So this plugin is added because this will help IntelliJ identify Scala code and provide suggestions or syntax suggestions and code styling and all those things. So that's the reason why I'm asking you to add Scala plugin as soon as you have IntelliJ open. Then we'll come back to project and we'll create a new project in IntelliJ and we'll execute a Scala and a Java code side by side. And that is going to be in your next video. So if you do like this video, hit a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give a thumbs down. Or if you feel something else can be done, feel free to give out your ideas in the comment section and I'll be looking at them. So until then, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.